Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a couple of awesome watch faces for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store that's free for the taking. So make sure you download ASAP before free becomes paid real quickly, people. So let's check out this watch face and see why it's worthy of a download. Now, the name of the watch face is called Ocean Black. This one here, people, is a dress-up watch face. You can dress down if you want to, but this is definitely a dress-up watch face in my opinion. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, so it's going to look good. Now once the watch face is on, this is what we're greeted with. You got your index is lit up blue over the Roman numerals that you have for numbers, which really brings out the watch face. I do like the smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Screen premium all day in my opinion. But if you look in the center, you can see a hint of blue. I mean, this really adds a lot of character to the watch face, and the hands light up blue itself, which blue is my favorite color, so this definitely makes this watch face stand out, especially with the black in the background. And if you look at it, you got a nice theme going on in the background as well that really brings out the luxury in this watch face. Now, you will get information on your heart rate. You get your step info at the top. You will get over here your battery percentage, get your date, and you get your digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. This is a watch face, people, you cannot pass up. All right, you all, what do you think? I'm thinking it's worthy of a download. But again, at the end of the day, it's all about you. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Let's go ahead and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Number 2 is nice. It screams premium all day. Now the name of the watch face is called Royalty Animated 12 Hours. This is the black and gold edition, people. Now if watch face number 1 didn't do it for you, maybe number 2 will. Now in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get a similar look for the Gear 3 and the Gear 2. And it's going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. It's still going to look nice. You're still going to get your analog time at a glance with no problem. Now, when the watch face is on, you got this black and gold theme going on. You got a nice red second hand that really just brings the watch face together. And if you look up at the top, you will get the name of the watch face, and also you get your digital time. So that means you're going to get the best of both worlds, people, with no problem. And you get your heart rate information there, battery on the other side. This is going to be your months in this dial, and that dial, it's going to be your days of the week, which I love. And at the bottom, you get animation going on, and that number right there, that's your date, people. So what do you think? Because this watch face definitely screams premium. It screams luxury all day long. I'm loving it. And it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And all day long, people, this is a dress-up watch face. But again, who am I? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Get ready for hump day because it's on its way. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.